Hi, it's Miss Jana again from my house, doing some really cool experiments with things that hopefully you have at home. And what we're going to do today is teach you how to make a parachute out of a plastic bag and a cup. And later on, we're going to have a special guest who's going to fly it for us. So what you'll need to do is get a plastic bag that has handles. I'm using just a CVS bag, or this one would be really cool from a Target because it has a bullseye on it, but you can do whatever you want. And what you're going to do is the things you'll need is string, a hole puncher, a cup, and a bag. I used a ruler because I needed to know how much 12 inches is, so that way I have the optimum level, which it's going to fly away. So what you're going to do, first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut the handles. What I've noticed works really well is right where they connect, just cut it right down the line. Just like that.
And kids, don't forget, don't use scissors without your parents' permission.
Oh, that's right. Always ask permission before you use scissors. And if you have a hole puncher, remember, ask permission first. Because what you're going to do is you're going to make, because now you're going to have 4 handles. See? And what you're going to do is make an incision. Well, just a little hole right there. And what I'm realizing right now is you might want to use just a little bit thicker bag than a CVS bag. I would probably prefer like a Safeway or a Target bag because it can hole punch better. But we are going to persevere. Yes, we are.
Miss Jana, what's something that we could use if we don't have a hole puncher at home? Could we use scissors just to create a little hole?
Yes. Just remember to be very careful when you do it. Actually, if you're using a CVS bag, this actually works better. It's what I'm learning. Have your parents do that part, yes. And then what you're going to do is make 4 holes on the cup. Remember to put it 2 on each side, because what you're going to do is you're going to connect the bag to the cup. And then we're going to leave that there so that way it's
Chulo. Special appearance by Chulo.
exactly. And so we have already have a 12-inch pretty much already cut. And then what you're going to do,
Can they use any kind of string, Miss Jana?
yes, they absolutely can. They can use any string, they can use ribbon, whatever you have around the house you can use. And also after you do your experiment, let us know, like if you think that yours went farther with ribbon or string, like white string. I just like the color blue, so that's why I used blue. So remember, just to kind of measure it. So right now we have 3, so we just need 1 more. And there we go. And then what we're going to do is my brother will tell you, I don't know how to do a knot, but we are going to persevere and we're going to do this. Because like it says in the Bible, I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. And believe me, this is a strength one. So we're going to hold this down for a minute because it's going to fly away. So if what you might be the easiest way is to go ahead and tie your string to your cup. Make sure that it's secure. So I would do 2 knots. Unless you are really good at tying knots and you feel secure in it, you can do that as well. What I'm doing right now is I am going to be tying the handles to the cup. And you're gonna do the same thing that we did with the cup. We're gonna put it through the hole and then tie it. With this part, I would make sure that it's tight and knotted well. And then the finished product will be, voila, a parachute. Now we tested it several times. It did perfectly fine without a rock, but we realized it looks really cool coming down with a rock about this size. And what you're gonna do is just place it in the cup, and then my brother is going to show you how it looks. As you know, we've already made our parachute with the paper cup and the string and the plastic bag. And Mr. Jesse, who was so kind to hop on a roof to show us. Now remember, disclaimer, kids, do not get on your roof. You're not allowed to be on the roof. Ask your mom and dad to see if they can help you with that. Or if you have stairs, drop it from the top of the stairs, but always use an adult because safety first. All right, Mr. Jesse, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's see if it works.
Woo!
And it's still intact. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi. So we decided to do it again by putting different size rocks in it. One we did with a rock this size, and now we're doing it with two of these tiny little rocks inside. And Mr. Jesse has graciously decided to do it again. Let me know when you're ready, Jess.
Ready.
Onward. There's your parachute.
Bye, Mr. Jesse.
Bye, Mr. Jesse. Thank you. And it lived.
Woo!
Put a smaller rock in.
And again, thanks so much. And I hope you enjoyed this. And don't forget to let us know what worked and what didn't. Thanks again.